guys, and welcome to my channel. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Today we're going to be reviewing a Crazy Art slime bucket. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, really quickly before we start, I just wanted to show you guys my slime area. This is what it looks like in case you guys were wondering. I tried to keep it as organized as possible. Speaking of which, I did get a special request to do a video on how to organize your slime, and that should be next week, so be sure to stay tuned for that. So next to my slime area is where I keep my guinea pigs. This is Cinnamon right here. She is super cute. Say hi, Cinnamon. Say hi to the camera. And here is Snickers. Alright guys, so this is the slime we're going to be reviewing today. I got it at Walmart for about $10. I saw it and I thought it would be really fun to do a review. Alright, so this is what the packaging looks like. It's Nickelodeon Crazy Art Slime, 3 colors in one. I thought that was really cool. And then another minor detail, I saw that the sticker was a little crooked, but it's no big deal. Another fun detail is that the plastic is molded to look like slime is dripping off the sides. I thought that was really cool. So on the front cover, it has a kid holding all the slime in one hand. So I'm not sure if you're supposed to mix it or keep it separate. Maybe you're supposed to mix it, I'm not sure. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see. So first, I'm just gonna pull off the seal. So when I opened the container, there was a nice plastic seal over the top, which was nice. So it has these 2 plastic dividers to separate the slime. When I touched the slime, I was expecting it to be sticky, but it was actually perfect, and it was really good for poking. I really also liked all of the bright colors. The moment I took the slime out of the container, it was just so soft and stretchy, I just could not stop playing with it. And I did notice it was also really clear. And it was nice because the slimes came right out of the container. You didn't have to force it too much. I think the orange slime was probably my favorite. I just loved how bright the color was. And lastly, I went ahead and took out the pink slime. I love the color of this one too. It was super bright. You guys, I could not stop playing with this slime, but I knew I had to put it away to film the next clip, but this slime was truly amazing. I wanted to get matching bowls for the slime, but I didn't really have the shade of purple, so I just decided to do the closest I could get. So this is what the container looks like without the slime in it. I was really curious if those plastic dividers would come out so you can mix the slime. So I thought those plastic dividers would slide out, but they were pretty stuck in there, so I decided not to mix the slime because I liked all the colors anyway, and I wasn't sure what it would look like when they were all mixed. Typically, when you buy a store-bought slime, they usually aren't as good as homemade slimes, but I was really impressed. These slimes were super stretchy and they made really good crunching noises. I was curious if all of the dividers were the same size so I could put any slime in, and I was correct. So you can put any slime in the dividers. It doesn't have to be a certain one. And again, I got this slime at Walmart. You guys should check it out. I definitely would recommend it. I give it a 5 out of 5. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And again, I do post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Comment down below if you guys would like to see more clips of my guinea pigs. I think it would be really fun to show them in my videos, but I'm not sure what you guys think of that, so be sure to tell me in the comments. Bye! See you guys next week!